Hello, good day and welcome. I will be answering WASSCE 2020 Physics Past Question 31. The temperature of an object is raised by 120 degrees Celsius. The resulting increase in its absolute temperature is A. 50 Kelvin, B. 120 Kelvin, C. 200 Kelvin, and D. 393 Kelvin. Now, absolute temperature T is given in terms of Kelvin, and this is expressed as 273 plus the value in degree Celsius. Now we are given a temperature rise of 120 degrees Celsius. So therefore the absolute temperature T, which is given in Kelvin, will be equal to 273 plus 120, and the temperature T is equal to 393 Kelvin. So this is what? This is the absolute temperature for the increase by 120 degrees Celsius. But now it is given in what? Kelvin, and that is 393 Kelvin, which is option D. So this is the answer to the question. Thank you and God bless you. And subscribe to our channel for more videos.